Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Zoom password. It's a straightforward process that helps you regain access to your account quickly. Whether you're using the Zoom website or the desktop or mobile application, these steps will guide you through. We'll cover how to initiate the reset and what to expect in your email inbox to complete the process. Let's get started. If you're using a web browser, begin by navigating to the Zoom sign-in page. Once there, look for the Forgot Password link, typically found right below where you would normally enter your credentials. Click on this link, then simply type in the email address associated with your Zoom account. After entering your email, click the Send button to proceed with the reset process. For those using the Zoom desktop or mobile application, the process is quite similar. First, open the Zoom application on your computer or smartphone. When you see the sign-in screen, select the Sign-in option. From there, you'll find and click on Forgot Password. Just like with the web browser, you'll then enter your registered email address and follow any additional on-screen instructions. After initiating the reset, the next crucial step is to check your email inbox. Zoom will send you a password reset link. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it immediately. Click on this secure link, which will direct you to a page where you can create a brand new password. Choose a strong, unique password and confirm it to finalize your account access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.